Tru's premier bar lineup includes back bar and draft refrigerators. TBRs and TDRs are made with top quality materials and components for the highest quality refrigeration on the market. These units feature R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, providing an environmentally friendly refrigeration system with shorter compressor run times, lower energy consumption, and the industry's coldest holding temperatures. TBRs and TDRs are available in a variety of sizes. Exterior construction consists of a black powder coat finish or stainless steel. Both come with a heavy gauge stainless steel top and are UL approved for outdoor use. Black tops and overlay panel ready units are also available. The interior of the cabinet features a stainless steel floor and sides, ABS plastic ceiling, and 3 access ports. TDR units come standard with 3-inch diameter stainless steel insulated beer columns fed by chill hoses designed to help keep beer cold. On the interior, reinforced thresholds help prevent wear and tear. TBR units are NSF7 approved for open food storage and come standard with 3 gray PVC coated shelves per door. Units are available in 3 distinct single zone temperature settings. Door options include solid and glass swing doors with heavy duty door handles, locks, and the ability to field reverse each door. Glass slide door and pass-through models are also available. All models have the option for a left or right side compressor. Other underbar features include self-cleaning reverse condensing unit technology, which reverses the fan motor to remove excess debris from the condensing unit, exterior digital display, front breathing, front discharge airflow, and zero clearance. The premier bar line comes standard with 14 color Trulumina LED lighting. Swing door units can be customized with any combination of door types and configurations, and can also be custom colored for a bold and unique look. At Tru, we are committed to providing refrigeration with the coldest product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. Tru's Back Bar and Draft Refrigeration Series.